Good morning, my dear students. So students, today we will learn how to add any 3-digit number with regrouping of ones. So we already know about the regrouping, right? How to regroup any number while adding. So we'll apply all those things, okay, whatever we know in our new topic. Okay, so suppose we need to add 238 with 315. So now see the ones place, because we'll start adding the number from the ones place value, right? So see, in ones place 8 and 5 is there. This one is ones, right? So 8 plus 5, it will be how much? 13, right? So we can't put these two digits together. We have to put this 3, okay, last digit here, and we need to shift this digit to the tens place value. So now 1 is here. So now we'll add this number. So 1 plus 3, it will be how much? 4. 4 plus 1, 5, right? Okay, now see, in 100 place 2 and 3 is there. So 2 plus 3, it will be how much? 5. So our answer will be what? 553. Okay, so like this only we need to add these 3-digit numbers, okay, with regrouping of the ones. Okay, so now we'll do some questions that are given in your book. Okay, my dear students, now open page number 202, see exercise 3. So here we need to add these numbers. So see the ones place value, see the first one. So 6 and 4 is there. So 6 plus 4, it will be how much? 10, right? So we'll put this 0 here and we'll give this 1 to the tens place. So now 1 plus 5, it will be how much? 6. 6 plus 3, 9, right? Okay, now see, in 100 place 3 plus 2, it will be how much? 5. So our answer will be what? 590. Okay, now see B part. So we'll start adding from the ones place value. So 8 plus 9, it will be how much? 8 plus 9, it will be 17, right? So we'll write this 7 here and we'll give this 1 to the tens place. Now see, in tens place 1 plus 0, it will be 1. Again with 0, if we add again, we'll get what? 1. So here we'll write 1. Now see, in 100 place 4 and 3 is there. So 4 plus 3, it will be how much? 7. So our answer will be what? 717, right? Okay, now see C part. So 5 and 7 is there in ones place. So 5 plus 7, it will be how much? 12, right? So we'll write 2 here and we'll put this 1 in the tens place. Now 1 plus 6, it will be how much? 7. 7 plus 2, 9, right? Now see, in 100 place 4 is there. So we'll write this 4 directly, because in 100 place only 4 is there, no other number is there. Okay, so now I think you have understood how to add this 3-digit number with regrouping, right? So you will do D, E and F, these 3 in your classwork copy. Okay, is it clear? I hope you can do this one by yourself. Okay, now see G part. So Maya read 2 books in her holidays. One book had 164 pages and the other book had 108 pages. How many pages did Maya read in all? So in one book 164 pages are there, and in another book 108 pages are there. So total means what? We need to add these two numbers, right? So let's find out the answer. How many pages did Maya read in all? So 4 plus 8, it will be how much? 12. So we'll write 2 here and 1 to the tens place. Now see, 1 plus 6, it will be 7. 1 plus 1, it will be 2. So total how many pages she read in all? 272 pages, right? Okay, now see H part. So 232 people boarded a train at New Delhi station. 159 people boarded the train at Old Delhi station. How many people boarded the train? So 232 people boarded a train at New Delhi station and 159 people at Old Delhi station. So we'll find out the total number of people. So see, 2 plus 9, it will be 11. So we'll write 1 and we'll give 1 to the tens place. Now 1 plus 3, it will be 4. 4 plus 5, it will be how much? 9, right? Now 2 plus 1, it will be how much? 3. So total how many people boarded the train? 391 people, right? So this G and H also you have to write these two in your classwork copy, and the answer of writing this one, these two, sorry, I will give you. Okay, so I hope that you have understood about the addition, about adding 3-digit number with regrouping of ones. Okay, then that's all for today.